Hi lovelies, welcome to today's tutorial, which is all about this beautiful purse you're seeing right here. If this is what you will want to learn, stay glued. Let's dive right into the tutorial. This is a doll satin fabric and it measures 20 inches by 20 inches, and I have two pieces of it here. So remember, 20 inches by 20 inches, two piece. Now this is copper wire we're going to use. This is the pearl, and this is the red bias we're going to use for the mouth. All these are the things that is needed for making of this purse. Okay, now you bring the 20 by 20 inches satin fabric, doll satin fabric, fold it fold it as if you're cutting an umbrella flare. So after folding it, you measure 10 inches round, as how we cut our umbrella flare or our peplum flare. You measure 10 inches round it, mark it round, use your chalk and chalk it down. Make sure they are equal, 10 inches round. Then after that, you're going to cut it out. You do the same thing to the second 20 inches by 20 inches satin fabric. This is what I'm doing. You cut it out also, and this one is ready. You open it up, place it right side facing right side, right side facing right side. After that, you mark 2 inches mark. This is for the turning after stitching. After marking the 2 inches, you're going to stitch it round with half an inch. Then you turn from that 2 inches. You will not stitch down that 2 inches. Okay, now you bring the remaining fabric, measure 3.5 inches round, 3.5 inches round, like umbrella flare, 3.5 inches. That is what I measured. You trim it out, you open it. I have two pieces of it also. The second one, I've already infused my pepper gum on it. Look at it, I've infused my pepper gum on it, and the other one is left bare like that. Okay, so you place it right side facing right side also. You mark 2 inches mark that you're going to leave, you're not going to stitch that part. Then you stitch around it with half an inch. This is very important. Don't stitch the 2 inches, the two parts. That is where we're going to turn them from. I've already stitched it all round. Then look at the opening, that is where we're going to turn it out from. Okay, that is what I'm doing. After turning out this big flay, we're going to work on the smaller parts of it. This is very important. Watch carefully, you will understand. After arranging it, look at the opening. You're going to top stitch on it, or you use invisible hand stitching and stitch on it so that it will not be visible if you're doing it for commercial purposes. Okay, now this one, because of this paper gum, you're going to make notches around it and trim it to the barest minimum. That is the allowance. After that, you're going to turn it around, carefully turn it around. This one will be difficult, but you will do it carefully. You will turn it around. After that, you top stitch on this 2 inches where you turn it out from. Then you arrange it very well and give it a good press. I've already ironed it. I folded it while ironing it. I will tell you the reason for that, because we're going to match the two of the flea. We are going to match them together. Look at it, we're going to match them, but the time have not reached. When we get to that time, I will show you. Okay, now we are going to keep that aside, open the bigger part of the flay. Then we're going to mark 2 inches. You're supposed to mark 1.5 inch, but topmost 2 inch, round it. This one you're not leaving any 2 inches space. Just mark 2 inches or 1.5 inches round the flea. After this first marking, you're going to mark half inch under it, half inch under it. That is where we're going to stitch down. We're going to stitch round it, the 2 inches and the half inch. We're going to stitch round the both of them. Watch carefully, you will understand what I just did. After stitching it, you carry this one, place it right middle. Make sure the middle is matching the middle part of the bigger flare. Then you use your pin and hold it down. Very important. Make sure that the midpoints are touching and aligning. Then you stitch it top stitch on top of it round. Let me do it, come back and show you. I've already top stitch round on it, and I've already run a stitch round out those lines that I made. I'm sorry that my video did not show this part, but I just made an opening in between those lines, and opening in between those lines. Let the opening not get to the other part of the flare, the under. No, it will not get, just on top of that place is where you're going to make an opening in between. It will serve as a casing for this bias strip. That is what will gather the pearls together. Then you thread the bias strip. This bias strip, I've already run a stitch on top of it. Then you thread it on your safety pin and insert it through that hole. Insert through the hole. Please, if you're getting value for this video and you're a new subscriber, please click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification button beside the subscription button. Like this video and share it so that it will get to as many people as possible. Okay, after threading it, you draw it close. We're coming to the end of the video, and this purse is turning out well and beautiful at that. You draw it and tie it and push it inside. Look at the purse, look at it. What is many is just the hand where you hold it. So I've gone ahead to bring my copper wire. This one is the lightest of it, so I'm going to make it like 4 strands. I'm doubling it, I'm making it 4 strands, so that it will be thicker, it will have weight. After that, I start fixing the pearls on it one after the other. You fix one after the other. Make sure you knot the downside so that it will not be falling off from that angle. Then you start threading it inside. Start thread. If you look at this copper wire very well, you see that I have 4 strands. It's not 1 strand because that is little. You thread it. This is me, I'm done threading it. I'm fast forwarding it so that this video will not be long. Okay, after that, make sure you knot the mouth of this copper wire, so that, look at it, knot it very well so that the pearls will not fall out from it. After that, you thread your needle and make sure you're using a matching thread. Then you place the hand where you want it to be, the handle where you want it to be. Then you tack it down, carefully tack it down, so that if you look closely, you see that our purse is coming together, everything is aligning. Thank you very much. I appreciate all of you for your patience towards this my channel. Even when I don't post often, you're always there for me. Thank you for watching to this end. I love you all and I appreciate you all. Thank you and God bless you. Don't forget to hit the subscription button, and if you're a returning subscriber, like and share and comment. Thank you. God bless you. Bye bye.